Hello dear students. So now today in this video we would be discussing how to find out the cube root of a given number by successive subtraction method. Okay. So before this let me write a formula here, and the formula is 1 plus m into m minus 1 multiplied by 3. So this is the formula that we would be using here to find out the cube root of a given number. Okay. So here m stands for the numbers starting from 1, then 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so if you just keep putting these numbers in place of m here, so you would be getting the different values of m here. Let's say if I put in place of m 1 here, so I'll be getting 1 plus 1 multiply 1 minus 1 multiply 3. So this will become 0. I would get there 1. Okay, so similarly if I put in place of m 2 there, okay, so I'll be getting 1 plus 2 multiply 2 minus 1 multiply 3. Oh, so we will be getting 3 1 just 3, 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 1 7 number, 7 we are getting there. So this is how we are getting the different numbers here. So we would be getting in place of m, if you put 1 there, so you would be getting 1. If you put just 2 there in place of m, so this by solving this whole you would be getting 7. Similarly by putting 3 we would be getting how much? 19, then 37, then 61, then 91, and so on. So these are the different numbers that we will be getting by putting different values in place of m there. Okay, so where we are going to use these numbers 1 7 19 37 61 91 and so on. So we would be using these numbers to find out the cube of a the cube root of a given number. Okay, so how to find it out? Let me give you an example here. Okay, let's say I have to find out the cube root of 64. I have to find out the cube root of 64. So how to find it out? Let me tell you. So you would subtract these numbers. First you would subtract 1 from it, then how much answer you are getting, then again you will subtract 7 from it, then 19, then 37. So you keep subtracting these numbers till you are getting 0. Okay, so let me subtract. So at first I would subtract 1 from it. 64 minus 1, the first number na? So if I subtract 1 from it, I would be getting how much? 63. Okay, then I'm going to subtract the next number is what? 7. So if I subtract 7 from it, so I would be getting how much? 56. Correct. Then next number is how much there? 19. So just subtract 19 from it. So I would be getting how much? 37. Okay, then next number is how much? 37. So now subtract 37 from it, so you would be getting 0. Okay, so what you will do, you just keep subtracting these numbers from the given number whose cube root you have to find out, so till you are getting 0. After how many steps you are getting 0, that you check. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Means after subtracting 4 of these numbers, so you are getting 0 here. Getting or not? So it means the cube root of 64 would be how much? 1 2 3 4. So 4 would be the cube root of 64. Getting? So this is how we would be using this one formula to find out the cube root of a given number by successive subtraction method. Similarly you can find out the cube root of some other numbers also. Okay, so let me give you some example there which you will do yourself. Okay, so the next number is you have to find out the cube root of 125. Then next number is you have to find out the cube root of let's say 216. Then you have to find out the cube root of 343. Then you have to find out the cube root of 1728. So these are some examples which I have given you, and just solve these examples yourself by the same method. So if you want to find out the cube root of 125, so first you subtract 1 from it, then how much answer you are getting, then subtract 7 from it, then 19, then 37, then 61, and so on. So keep subtracting. After how many steps you are getting 0, that would be your answer there. Okay, hope you have got this. Now in the next video we would be discussing how to make a number the perfect cube by the same method. Okay, that we would be discussing in the next video. Hope you have got it. Okay, then see you, bye bye in the next video.